Puti ako ha. Puti ako bro, puti ako. Puti.
Sorry, but sila mo, Regine Fai.
Regina Fai, sorry.
Regine Fai. I'm releasing a new album. It's called Reginified, and these are the mga songs that I performed in either mga concerts or in ASA. We decided to gawin ng recording kasi madami na pala yung mga binibigyan ko ng version ng mga songs, mga covers. So ayun lang din. Oo, yun. Leaves, yung mga ganun. So, ayun. I'm happy that we did it kasi I love singing old songs or yung mga songs na na-popularize ng ibang artists.
Done ba yung record?
It's done.
How many tracks?
12, I think. We're on our third single. So,
Anong feeling mo ganun, Regina? Ang tawag na pagka-version mo ay Reginify.
actually, nanggaling yun sa mga fans. So, natutuwa naman ako na nanonotice nila na pag may kinanta ko, kasi pag kumakanta ako ng hindi ko original, syempre I try to make it my own. And apparently, natutuwa din naman sila.
Invite lang po din sa
This coming Sunday at the Meralco Theater, a lot of artists will be there to perform for Gabay Guro. So we'll hope to see you there. You can see it online. I sang the theme song of Believing in Me of Gabay Guro, and the reason why I'm here is because I like the inspiration that it has given me. Kasi yung kinukwento sa akin ni Michelle na nagbibigay kami ng scholarship sa yung mga underprivileged na mga tao, and then ang pinapa-take up nila is education. Na, by the way, parang konti na lang yung kumukuha. So, to make a long story short, kumukonti yung mga teachers sa bansa, and then a lot of them would go out of the country pa to be something else. So, I got very inspired when I found out na yun yung core ng Gabay Guro, to give them scholarship. And then, meron silang 2 years, parang 2 years to teach here or kung saan probinsya sila galing. They can do whatever they want with their lives. But normally, they stay, because they love what they do. And yung teacher, nahahambing ko sa nanay, hindi ko alam bakit. Kasi parang, well, first of all, yung mga nanay natin, yun ang unang-unang teachers natin, di ba? So, they give everything without really expecting anything in return. So, parang feeling ko mga nanay na natin yung mga guro, o mga tatay na natin yung mga guro. And being a mom, you always worry for, the safety and the welfare of your children. Na-realize ko na them going to, or Nate going to school, kalahati ng buhay na yun, di ba? So, yung mga teachers, talagang second, parents nila, di ba? Parang another pair or another set of, parents that they have. Kasi kalahati ng buhay nila, ginugugol nila sa eskwela. So, the role of a teacher is very important sa paglaki ng mga anak natin. And that's why I'm here from the very beginning until now for 17 years. And wala naman talaga akong ginagawa, kumakanta lang naman ako. but I'm hoping that, by performing and talking to the teachers, when we do these things, when we do these programs, I'm hoping that we get to inspire the teachers to keep doing what they're doing, kasi otherwise, walang magtuturo sa mga kabataan natin, di ba? So, and I'm very thankful to the the group, the whole group of Gabay Guro for allowing me to still be part of it. Every year we do this. We have a, we honor our beloved teachers, and thank you, Michelle, for including me in the rosters of performers to perform for the teachers. Yun. I'm still here. I'm still working with Gabay Guro. So, parang every year hanggang eternity ba? I'm just very happy and very honored to be part of this group. So, thank you very much.